Every move tells a story. Each side has its way. One is a careful construct of stones, each laid with trembling caution like whispers of a past too scared to topple. Liberals, they call them. Guardians of the cautious heart, they move like chess masters in a long game. Each stone a pole, a data point, a carefully measured breath, a perceived perfection rooted in conviction. When the tower falls, they stop and they take notice. Each time a stone slips, they pause, ponder, they place it again, crafting a monument to careful consideration. They press forward, ever so carefully, not led by intuition, but boundless intention. The ones who have chosen this side laud their careful consideration, yet curse their measured steps, desiring acknowledgement of their own personal suffering. They question, they wane, they consider another, and then the other. Conservatives, draped in the bold cloth of chaos that flirts with destruction, instinct, emotion, raw energy their fuel. Their tower less a structure than a story of motion. They push not with caution, but with gusto, a dance of disorder where adaptation trumps precision. Adapt, obey, or be left behind. Their path marked by the rubble of rapid resolve may look a wreck, yet speaks to a strange efficiency. The ones who've chosen this side look on in blind belief of each stone placed, no questions, no asking, no wondering, an almost sad embrace of ignorance. So one rebuilds, the other rolls on, embracing each calamity not as a setback, but as a step. And we sit, we stand, we cheer between meticulous minds and the wild actions of will. Where one measures, the other moves. Where one fears the fall, the other finds its footing in the falling, finds its voice, its message. In this dance of democracy, these towers tell tales not just of political paths, but of philosophical pursuits. One crafts with caution, the other charges ahead, each bearing their own brand of wisdom. The people watch, sometimes in quiet bewilderment, other times with fervent conviction, walking among these fallen stones, attempting to find footing in the cautious constructions or the chaotic charge, these half-broken things. As the stones settle and the dust drifts, we ponder which philosophy carries a thing resembling progress. What is progress if we can't even agree on what it means? We sing this song every four, stuck on our side with nothing in the middle, losing footing among these toppled rocks. A vivid depiction of our shared calamity.